Hi, hello, welcome to Quick Revision. I hope you are following my channel. So, in today's class, we will continue the revision of multiple choice questions. So, here is a question. To prevent chips from getting oxidized, the bags of chips are flushed with option A hydrogen, option B oxygen, option C carbon dioxide, and option D nitrogen. So, I hope you got the answer. So, the correct option is nitrogen. So, next question. Which of the following are exothermic processes? So they have given four processes. So you need to identify which are exothermic processes. First one, reaction of water with quicklime. Second one, dilution of an acid. Third one, evaporation of water. And fourth one, sublimation of camphor. So the options are option A 1 and 2, option B 2 and 3, option C 1 and 4, and option D 3 and 4. Here the correct answer is option A 1 and 2. That is reaction of water with quicklime and dilution of an acid. These two are exothermic processes. Next question is, the following observation helps us to determine that a chemical change has taken place. Option A, change in temperature. Option B, change in color. Option C, evolution of a gas. Option D, all of these. So here the correct answer is option D, all of these. So the next question here is, which of the following statements is not true? So option A, corrosion is a chemical change. Option B, corrosion of iron is called rusting. Option C, corrosion can take place in vacuum. Option D, corrosion is helped by stains on metallic surface. So here the correct answer is option C, corrosion can take place in vacuum. So this statement is not true. Next question, which of the following is not a chemical change? So they have given four options. So let us see. Option A, ripening of fruits. Option B, electrolysis of water. Option C, dissolution of common salt in water. Option D, heating of copper wire in the presence of air at high temperature. So here, ripening of fruits, so that is a chemical change. Electrolysis of water, that is also a chemical change. Heating of copper wire in the presence of air at high temperature, so that is also a chemical change. So here the correct answer is option C, dissolution of common salt in water. So common salt means sodium chloride. So option C is the correct answer. Next question here is, barium chloride on reacting with ammonium sulfate forms barium sulfate and ammonium chloride. Which of the following correctly represents the type of the reaction involved? So option A, displacement reaction. Option B, decomposition reaction. Option C, combination reaction. Option D, double displacement reaction. So here the correct answer is option D, double displacement reaction. So the next question here is, when crystals of lead nitrate are heated strongly in a dry test tube, option A, crystals immediately melt. Option B, a brown residue is left. Option C, white fumes appear in the test tube. Option D, a yellow residue is left. So here the correct answer is option B, a brown residue is left. Next question, dilute hydrochloric acid is added to granulated zinc taken in a test tube. The following observations are recorded. Point out the correct observation. So here options are given. Option A, the surface of metal becomes shining. Option B, the reaction mixture turns milky. Option C, odor of a pungent smelling gas is recorded. Option D, a colorless and odorless gas is evolved. So here the correct answer is option D, that is a colorless and odorless gas is observed. So that gas is nothing but hydrogen gas. So this reaction is between, that is hydrochloric acid and zinc. Next question here is, when a magnesium ribbon is burnt in air, the ash formed is option A, black, option B, white, option C, yellow, and option D, pink. Yes, the correct answer is option B, white. So you have already learned about this burning of magnesium. As here the next question, which of the following will be required to identify the gas evolved when dilute hydrochloric acid reacts with zinc metal? Option A, red litmus paper. Option B, pH paper. Option C, lime water. Option D, a burning splinter. So here the correct answer is option D, a burning splinter. So with the help of a burning splinter, we can identify, or we can confirm the liberation of hydrogen gas, because this is the reaction between zinc and dilute hydrochloric acid. So when a metal reacts with acid, so hydrogen gas is liberated. Next question here is, on immersing an iron nail in copper sulfate solution for few minutes, you will observe that option A, no reaction take place. Option B, the color of solution fades away. Option C, the surface of iron nails acquire a black coating. Option D, the color of solution changes to green. So here the correct answer is option B, the color of solution fades away. So you already learnt about this equation. So here one more question is there, we will discuss this. What happens when ferrous sulfate crystals are heated? Option A gas having the smell of burning sulfur is evolved. Option B, no gas is evolved. Option C, brown colored gas is evolved. Option D, colorless and odorless gas is evolved. So here the correct answer is option A. So that is, a gas having the smell of burning sulfur is evolved. So you have already learned this ferrous sulfate, decomposition of ferrous sulfate. So that based on that chemical reaction, they have framed this multiple choice question. So in the next class, we will learn some more multiple choice questions. So if you like this video, subscribe and share.